Hey DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how you can use the ground to keep your home warm in winter and cool in summer. Sounds like magic, right? It's actually a super cool technique called a ground-coupled heat exchanger. First things first, you'll need to find a spot in your yard where you can dig a trench. Make sure it's not too close to your home's foundation or any utility lines. The trench should be about 6 feet deep and 3 feet wide. This depth allows you to tap into the stable temperatures below the frost line. Next, you'll need some PVC pipes. These pipes will act as conduits for air. Lay them horizontally in the trench, making sure they're evenly spaced. You'll want to use pipes with a diameter of about 4 inches. Connect the pipes in a U-shape so the air can flow through them in a continuous loop. Now, it's time to cover the pipes with gravel. This helps with drainage and ensures that the pipes stay in place. After that, you can backfill the trench with the soil you removed earlier. Make sure to tamp it down well to avoid any air pockets. Next up is the fun part, connecting the pipes to your home's ventilation system. You'll need to run ducts from the ends of the U-shaped pipes to your home's HVAC system. This might require a bit of professional help if you're not comfortable with HVAC work. The idea is to create a loop where air from your home is pushed through the buried pipes and then back into your home. When the air travels through the underground pipes, it will naturally absorb the temperature of the earth. In winter, the ground is warmer than the air, so the air gets heated. In summer, the ground is cooler, so the air gets cooled. Simple, but effective. You can enhance this system by adding a small fan to help push the air through the pipes more efficiently. A solar-powered fan could be an eco-friendly option. Just make sure the fan is rated for outdoor use. Once everything is set up, you'll notice a significant difference in your home's temperature regulation. This system not only helps in reducing your energy bills, but also keeps your home comfortable year-round using natural resources. Remember to check the pipes and ducts periodically to ensure there are no blockages or leaks. Regular maintenance will keep your system running smoothly for years to come. And there you have it, folks. A ground-coupled heat exchanger is a fantastic way to use the Earth's natural temperature stability to your advantage. Give it a try and let me know how it works out for you in the comments. Happy DIYing!